Hey ladies, I hope you've been enjoying my past videos. Today we're gonna go over how to put your hair up in a top knot so that you can hide your wefts very easily. A lot of you guys have been mentioning that it's been a little bit hard to hide those wefts whenever you're trying to put your hair up. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you very easily how to put your hair up whenever you're trying to just do a half up and half down style. Okay, so whenever you're doing a top knot or a half up, half down, I always leave hair around my face just because I personally don't like to leave just all face. I like to have just pieces around there. So when I put my hair up, what I do is I take part of my middle row and my mini, which I have up here, and I scoop it all up. And you'll notice that when I do that, you're gonna see part of my weft through here. So that's okay, don't worry about it right now. I'm gonna take my pieces out that I want in the front by my face. And I'm just gonna tie that up. Now to hide this, what you do is that you start to almost pinch on the sides so that you can get a little bit of that to cover the weft. And then if you notice, my part of my weft is right here. You can see that that's almost where my end bead is. But if you start to kind of pull at it a little bit, you won't see any of that. And I know this seems like really simple, and it really is. Don't overthink it. From here, if you want to make it a little bit cuter, you can also take a piece of the hair from underneath and you can always wrap it. If you have shorter layers, this will also make it to where you can hide some of that so that it's not so obvious that you have extensions in there. And then you can bobby pin this. Okay, so option number 2, if you have a mini like I do, is that I take just my mini, which is, if you guys can see it, it's right over here. And I'll just take that part and I'll start to kind of just weave out where I can almost see that my second row. I'll leave enough hair so that you can't see that one. This is where I start to just leave pieces around my face. You see, this is my end bead from my second row. I'll show you how to hide that in a second. So I'm gonna make almost like just a little ponytail again. This is gonna be a lot smaller because I'm gonna make this into a little bun. I'm gonna just do this one halfway. From here, I'm gonna just use those little end pieces and then just tie them around. And that's where I'm gonna start to bobby pin those. So when you start to bobby pin, you want to just go straight into that little bun that you just made. And right now I'm just trying to make it secure, so don't try to make it too cute just yet because you're going to pull it apart in a second. So to hide this little situation, you're going to start to pull on it. So if you almost pinch, that'll also help kind of just start breaking it up. And then up here, you also want to start doing that so that it's not so tight. And then if you start to see that some pieces you want to make them a little tighter, or if they're starting to disravel, you can also just stick another bobby pin in there. So this is just a super quick way to just make it into an up style if you need to just throw it up. Another way that you can do this is if you braid it and put it into a top knot. That's really cute too. So there's a lot of different ways for you to play with these wefts. You need to just throw it up. You can see, like, you can't tell that I have anything underneath there. Everything's hidden. It's just about playing with the wefts a little bit so that you can start to hide them some. And that is all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Keep sending me comments and keep showing me the love. I love that you guys are using my tips and tricks. Tag me in whatever upstyle top knot version of this that you make for me. And I hope to see you soon.